Hi children, I hope all are fine and safe at home. Today we can start our chemistry class. I am starting with a new chapter, acids, bases and salts. This chapter mainly includes the chemical reactions of acids and bases and a different category of salts. You have already learned in your previous classes about the physical properties of acids and bases. The properties of acids and bases are: when dissolved in water, acids and bases conduct electricity. Acids change blue litmus to red, whereas bases change red litmus to blue. Acids have a sour taste while bases have a bitter taste and they have a slippery feeling. Acids react with bases to neutralize their properties, same as the base. Acids react with active metals to liberate hydrogen. Properties are of two types, physical and chemical properties. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. Physical properties are used to observe and describe matter. Some examples of physical properties are color, shape, mass, volume, states of matter, length, magnetism, texture, and density. Next, we can discuss about chemical properties. Chemical properties are only observed during a chemical reaction and thus changing the substance chemical composition. Examples of chemical properties are flammability, reactivity, combustion, oxidation, reaction with acids, bases, etc., endothermic and exothermic reactions, and formation of precipitate. This chapter mainly includes the chemical reactions of acids and bases. First of all, we are going to study an activity that what happens when acids and bases react with metals. For explaining this activity, we have to arrange an experimental setup as shown in the figure. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granules to it. Observe the surface of zinc granules for some time. After some time, we can observe that on the surface of zinc granules, small bubbles are forming. These bubbles are the indication of hydrogen gas. Pass the gas evolved in the test tube through a delivery tube to a tray in which soap solution is collected. After some time, we can see that bubbles are formed in the soap solution. These bubbles are due to the formation of hydrogen gas. Take a burning candle near a gas-filled bubble. Burning of hydrogen gas with a pop sound can be observed. This activity can be repeated with any type of acids like nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. The metal in the above reaction displaces hydrogen atoms from the acids as hydrogen gas and forms a compound called salt. Thus, the above reaction is sulfuric acid plus zinc metal gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Similar is the reaction between a base and a metal. For example, when sodium hydroxide reacts with zinc metal, we will get the corresponding salt, that is sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. As a conclusion, we can say that any acid or base react with metals to give corresponding salt plus hydrogen gas. Watching this video, all are requested to read the respective portion from your textbook and clear the doubts.